Hello, artist. Today you are going to be making paper beads to go with your clay medallion, your soul medallion that we made out of clay. So we have our medallions all done, but they need to be finished. And today we're going to start making these paper beads, and you can kind of see them, how colorful they are. We're going to try and make as many as we can. So here I have 6 beads. I think I would have probably preferred to have made even more. You're going to be doing this for 2 class periods. So you're going to do it today, and you're just going to be kind of figuring it out. And then next week, we will be making a couple more, and then we'll also be busy putting them onto our string and finishing this. So to start, you're going to pick out a piece of paper, and they look a little bit like flags. They have a pointy side and they have a flat side. The first thing you want to do is decide, are you going to color it now or at the end? So I'm going to show you the 2 different ways. The middle, probably you're not going to see a lot. You're going to see the tip when you roll it. You'll see this part. So I might decide I really want to color this part in. So maybe I'll do a couple different stripes with different colors. So I have a blue, and then I might do a little bit of a pink. And then maybe I just, from here on out, I want to do kind of just stuff on the side, because it's gonna, you'll see, there's gonna be a point where you're not gonna see any of this middle part. So I'm just going to color, maybe I'll make a pattern. So I had blue, pink, green. I'm gonna do blue along the edge and pink, and we'll end with my green again. You can color it any way you want. You don't have to do a pattern. But that's one idea of something you could do. All right, now this is really important. If you color it before, you need to flip it, because you'll see when we start to roll it, we're gonna use a pencil to roll our beads. If we start to roll it, and all of a sudden my design's gonna be hidden, so I need to flip it to the other side. You also need to make sure that your glue stick is ready, cap off, because you're gonna need that, and you're going to be rolling up your beads, and you don't want to let it go and go to get your glue stick, because it's not going to, it's going to unravel, and I'll show you what I mean. So we start at the bottom, and I'm going to curl this up, and you want it to be very tight. You want to keep your fingers, my fingers are pushing down really hard, and see, if I let go, it pops off. So I want to make sure that my pencil is straight. If my pencil's crooked when I curl it, the bead will start to go crooked, and it's really hard to make. It just makes it really difficult. So I'm going to put it right at the end, straight, and I'm going to curl it up. And I'm going to keep it nice and tight, and I'm going to just roll it, and you can see it's starting to roll up. I never let go of my pencil. If I let go of my pencil, oop, poof, see what happens? Then I got to start over all the way at the end. So I want to make sure I never let go. I curl it up, and I just keep pushing down until I get to the very end. Now this is the part where you want that glue ready, because when I get to the very end here, see how it has this little flag? You want to get your glue stick and put glue on the very end of that. And then not letting this go. You notice how I held it with this hand while I got my glue stick? Because again, if I would let go, it would just all unravel. So I keep it tight, and I want to slowly curl that, and I'm going to hold it there and get that blue end to smooth down. Now the whole thing should be glued, because I glued that little piece of flag. So when I slide this off my pencil, I have a bead that I can thread next week. Now I want to quick show you, if you choose black or like a dark color like blue, it's not going to work very well to put, a blue on here. I'll show you. It doesn't really show up. So when I color, it's just going to turn into a darker black. So this might be one you might want to pull out. I'll put out silver Sharpies, or I'll have the sub put out silver Sharpies, and you might want to add silver. And I'm going to show you, you don't have to decorate first. You could decorate second. So we're going to roll it up first. I'm going to roll this one, and then I'm going to decorate it after, because then you kind of know where all the colors are going to be. So again, I keep it nice and tight, and I'm rolling, and I'm not letting it get loose. I'm keeping my fingers pushed down as I roll. Oop, I'm at the end. It's time to make that flag have a little bit of glue. So I'm gonna put some glue on that. And then I'm gonna hold it. It's hard to see the black against the black table. And I'm gonna smooth that flag piece down, and I hold it and I count to at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't want that popping up and your whole bead coming undone. When I slide this off, I can decorate it now. I'm gonna try the silver. We'll see if the silver works. And I could do polka dots maybe. You could do stripes. Think of all the different line designs we've talked about this year. So here we have circles. I could do dots to decorate this bead. And it just really makes it look fancy to go with our medallions, which are so colorful and fancy too. All right, so you can see how I've started to decorate that bead. So that's 2 ways. You can color it before or after, okay? Make as many beads as you can, and then we're gonna put them in a little baggie with your name on it. So next week, we can find that bag and we can continue to make beads. Have fun.